Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will explain about CSS, what is CSS, and what is used for. What it is used for. First, I will explain what it means CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, while CSS itself is a rule to regulate the behavior of an element HTML. So the use of the CSS is to shape the character of web display, such as color of the text and the size of the element and the size of the element in terms of the width and height the element. Okay, this is a structure of CSS. So CSS consists of selector, declaration CSS, then property value inside declaration CSS. Okay, selector is used to select the HTML element that will be applied CSS. Then property is used to determine the type of CSS. Then value is the content of the property. This is an example. So for example, there is element h1, the element h1, the content of the element is text hello world. So if you wanna give some CSS like color, yeah, such as color red, we must do first is select the element which want to give or take the CSS inside it. For the example, like this, selector is h1 element and the declaration CSS content of property. The property is color and the value of property is red. So if we compile the syntax CSS, the browser like will write or the browser will search the element h1, then browser include color red inside the content of the element. So this is explaining little explaining about CSS. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.